Concrete surface profile, or CSP as it is commonly referred to in the industry, is referenced on the technical data sheet of almost every one of our surface preparation, membrane, and tile mortar products. The International Concrete Repair Institute, or ICRI, has set the standard for the texture or contour measurement of a concrete surface. There are 10 grades within this standard, with number 1 being the lowest or least contoured profile, all the way to a number 10, which is the most heavily contoured profile. ICRI actually has a rubber chip set available for purchase that provides a visual and tactile example of each profile. If you're wondering why this is important, consider a single square foot of perfectly smooth concrete. The surface available to bond to would nominally be a square foot of concrete. If you take that same square foot and add contour to the concrete, you're adding surface area to bond to. This increase in surface area allows for our products to create a stronger and more tenacious bond. Most of the products used in the tile and floor covering industries call for a CSP of 1 to 3. So those are the profiles that you'll want to be most familiar with. Generally, you can achieve a CSP of 2 by diamond grinding and a CSP of 3 by a light shot blast. For more information about our products and the appropriate substrate preparation for each, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.